Hey guys, so I'm excited about this 3D print that I'm doing. I'll take a minute for you guys to look at it and see if you can guess what it is. So, what I am 3D printing is an egg holder for my chicken eggs. So I have chickens, and so this is going to be perfect for all the eggs that they're hatching. It just goes down the slide and then you can pick your egg off of it. It's going to be really cool and I'm excited about it. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Alright, thanks. Bye. Hey guys, so it is one more minute and it's about to be finished. And it is for my eggs that my chickens lay, and it is so cool looking. It came out really good. Came out pretty well, and I didn't do any in between supports for it at all. I just did the raft at the bottom. So it came out really well. It looks really good. It's about to be finished in one more minute. This is really cool, and this is going to be really good for my my chicken eggs because they lay a lot of eggs. So, I'm excited. I'll be making more stuff after this. Let's see what it looks like when it's all finished. This took 1 day and 45 minutes. Might have been actually a little bit more, I think it was actually a little bit less than a day and 45 minutes because on my thing it says 23 hours and 17 minutes, so it's actually not that bad. I think because I didn't have the supports in between it. They went really good. Any second, it should be done. I love my 3D printer. It does so good. Sometimes it messes up, but that's all the fun about it. You get to try to figure out how to fix it, and I like fixing things and learning new stuff, so it's pretty cool. Come on, you're supposed to be done any minute. It's at 99%. Sorry about the background. I have the cartoon TV on right now, Netflix, so come on, finish up. You should be done, 99%. Okay. Why are you not done yet? Finish up. And I had a whole roll of brown, and there's still a whole bunch left. So that's good. I was a little nervous that it might use up a lot of my brown, but it actually didn't use that much. It's taking its sweet little time getting that top part. Making sure it's all nice and smooth. And I do 100% fill. And for my structure, I just do the raft at the bottom, and I don't do the support because it seems like it did really well without it. And that would have taken up so much more film if you did the support in between. You just got to kind of play around with the settings and see what is good for you. Alright, it should be done by now.
I think I'm just doing the simple piece on top.
No, but it's 99%. It's been like that for like the past 4 minutes. Alright guys, well, it's still going. Let's see. Just putting some more layers on that top piece. I think that it's trying to match the bottom with the top so it's all the same size. But you get the point. It came out really good. It's awesome. Can't wait to put my eggs in it. Alright. Like and subscribe. Bye.